si siya.
Siya?
Siya nga. Hi. Nako kayo dyan.
Hello, beautiful.
Ano ba? Palabiro ko pala mga tao dito, no?
On the contrary, ang mga tao dito ay honest at sincere. By the way, I'm Roel.
Ako si siya.
Diyan nga ako naguguluhan eh. Ikaw siya?
Siya mismo. Time, sandali. Let me explain. Ang first name niya, siya. Ang apelido niya mismo. Kaya ang buong pangalan niya, siya mismo. Naliwanag ka.
Ang totoo nun eh, pagpasok mo lang dito sa silid na to eh, lumiwanag ng daigdig ko. Ay ko.
Yayo, ano bang room na to? Ano nga ba to? Drama studio. Obviously. Drama. Eh, kaya naman pala mahusay magdrama ang mga tao dito eh.
What's going on here? Bakit ang ingay-ingay dito, ha? Ano ito, palengke? Is this your first day here?
Yes.
Sir! Sir! I'm Brando Lacrimas, your drama teacher. This is a drama workshop class. Kung gusto nyo matuto, this is the right place for you. Pero I'm telling you right now, this is not a playground. Kung maglalaro lang kayo at magkikeng kayo dito, the door is open. You can leave right now. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, what?
Smart Alex, huh? Well, I have ways of taming you guys. So, you all want... Wait! Where are you going? You all want to be performers on the legitimate stage, right? You're all from the drama department?
Sir, I'm not.
Now, what the hell are you doing? Hindi sosyalan to. Out, out, out! Get up, get up, get up, get up!
Should we go, sir? Yes, sir. That's right.
What department?
Sir, music, voice culture.
Music, voice culture. Well, this is the drama department. Out! I don't need you out!
Sir, she wants to take up drama. Yes, sir. That's true, sir. Sir, naman.
Seryoso ka ba?
Yes, sir.
Ba't di mo sinabi agad? Upo ka. Upo, upo.
Sir, I have no chair.
Look, there are chairs over there. You can sit there.
Sir, yes.
Take a chair, any chair you want.
Sir, correct, sir. Correct.
Now, look. I'm going to try to make this lecture and this class as informal as possible. Gusto niyo matuto, kaya diretso ang treatment ko ng aking klase, okay? Now, you've all heard the phrase, all the world is a stage, right? At lahat tayo mga artista, whether you like it or not, mga artista tayo. Pagkakaharap mo boyfriend mo, ibang arte mo. Pagkaharap mo girlfriend mo, ibang arte mo. Pagkaharap mo magulang mo at hihingi ka ng pera, ibang arte mo, right? It's all a matter of desire. Pagnanasa, kung ano gusto mo. All your movements are motivated by want. Yan ang pinaka-importanting bagay. Yun ang dapat yung tandaan. Lahat tayo mga artista, and the world is a world of magic and illusion. Your body is your equipment. Kung iisipin mo, ang isang artista is like a gem, right? Like a diamond na madaming mga facets. Isang diamanting madaming mga tapyas. Kung anong iharap mo sa ilaw, yun ang kikinang. Dahil within us, madaming mga personalities. Ang isang artista hindi nagbabago sa pag-arte niya. Kundi may mga sides ng personality niya na dinidevelop niya, kinocultivate niya, siya niyang inilalabas sa entablado. Yan ang bagay na unti-unti kong ituturo sa inyo para kayo'y matawag na totoong mga artista.
Crayons to perfume. It isn't easy the word that I used to describe all the feelings that I have hiding here for you inside. Well, I am not gonna be the one to share your dreams, and I am not gonna be the one to share your schemes, and I am not gonna be the one to say what seems to be the feeling when you cherish me as much as I cherish you. Well, I'm beginning to think that man has never found the words that could make you want me. As I have the right amount of letters, just the right sound that could make you feel, make you see that you are driving me out of my mind.
Why do words suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you.
On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true.
So they sprinkled moonlight in your hair and golden starlight in your eyes were blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you, all around,
just like me.
they long to be close to you, close to you.
Ang dapat yung tandaan, may malaking kaibahan ng pag-arte sa pelikula at pag-arte sa entablado. Sa pelikula, meron kang camera na mag-zoom in sa'yo, i-close up ka. Pwedeng i-edit, pwedeng mag-take 20. Sa entablado, walang take 2. Pag nagkamali ka, yari ka na, that's it. At saka dapat mong tandaan na yung miyembro ng audience na nagbayad ng ticket, kahit na siya medyo bulag o medyo bingi at nakaupo siya sa last row ng balcony, she or he is entitled to a good show. Yun ang kailangan yung intindihan, that an acting is believing. Ha? Ano yun?
May daga.
Taga?